Hey guys, so today I am cooking one of my home chef meals. It is the adobo chicken enchiladas. So I'm gonna show you what came in my box for this recipe. So I got here the tortillas. They sent, I believe it's 6 of them. Let me just double check. Yes, it's 6 small flour tortillas. You'll also need a jalapeno pepper, boneless chicken. This is chicken breast. Shredded mild cheddar. Taco seasoning. Sour cream. Corn kernels. And red enchilada sauce. Like onions. So just gonna go ahead and just cut your ingredients here. And I believe that is plenty. That is enough. So they send 1 whole onion, but I just used a half of it. Now for your pepper. I wash my pepper. So all washed. Take off the tip. This goes in the trash. Then what you want to do, you want to make this round. And if you're not a chili person and you are afraid of how spicy this might get, all you need to do is just cut it like that. And then you're just gonna cut out the inside. Because the seeds, that's where you get most of your spice. And then I just rinse it again to make sure it's all gone. And then I'm just gonna cut down the middle again and cut it up. Just push this to the side. It's my chicken breast with vinegar, and I pat dry. Put your non-stick pan. This is my cast iron pan. I love this pan. So you put it, heat it up, and you're gonna put your oil in, your olive oil. So this is what I'm using. And I'm just gonna put some olive oil. The exact amount you want to put in your pan is a teaspoon of olive oil. I just like to get it the bottom of the pan coated. I just lower the heat a little bit. And now I put my chicken in. I place my chicken. Next step is you want to add a little bit more oil to your pan. Teaspoon of oil. Then your onions. And just stir. You just want to cook your veggies until they're tender. And you do this in the same pan, no need to wipe it out, the same pan as you just cooked your chicken, just to give the veggies some flavor. Next, you're gonna add some of your jalapeno. You don't want to put all of your jalapeno in the pan. You want to reserve just a little bit, if you like, for the end product, just to put on top of your finished enchiladas. So, keep stirring. Now to add your corn. Okay. At this point, I like to add a little salt, just a little salt to taste. And that will be like less than like a pinch or a pinch. And make sure this is on medium heat, my flame, and I just allow my veggies to soften a little bit more. The final step before you start to assemble your tacos is to add some of the cheese. You want to use like a quarter of the cheese and leave some remaining in the bag, because you want to use that on the top once you assemble, just for topping. So I leave this much. Now it's time to assemble your tacos. Well, it's not a taco, they're enchilada. So here's your tortilla. And you fill it. So a third of, a third cup? Or just fill it to the best of your ability. Make sure you don't overfill the enchiladas, well, the tortilla. Wrap it tight. And the seam, place it facing down. Good. And you do that for the remaining 5. So I'm just going to show you another one. And nice next to each other. I'm ready. Now it's time for the unveiling. Ooh, of the enchiladas. Looks delish.